All content creators are content consumers. You may have heard the term stop consuming, start creating. There's a lot of truth to that because we all start out as consumers. As a consumer, you know what you like and what you don't like in videos. And you certainly know when you're being disrespected. I want to help you learn how to respect your viewers because that's super important. Your viewers are basically your meal ticket if you want to make it on YouTube. I'm going to give you some tips to help you respect your viewers. And I'm going to start right now with number one. I've got a list here because I don't want to disrespect you by wasting your time. That's the first one. Don't waste people's time. Two parts to this. Number one, keep your videos as short as you possibly can while still getting the message across that you want to get across. People know when they're being tricked into watching a longer video. For example, you've got 5 tips you want to share. Don't say, I've got 5 tips I want to share and stick around to for the 4th one because it's the best. You don't want to miss the last one, blah, blah, blah. Stuff like that is trickery. Doesn't work anymore. I think there was a time and a place for that. That's old school. Today, people are busy. They don't want their time wasted. So don't waste their time. Get to the point. Give your first tip as the best tip, right? Start off with a bang. Here's my best tip. Boom. You're delivering value right out of the gate. The next way you can show some respect to your viewers is to answer their questions. If they are generous enough to leave you a comment or a question in your comment section, answer them, all of them. Now, I'm saying that now because I've been able to answer all my questions and comments. There may come a time when I can't, so I guess I should say do the best you can at answering them all. But I'm here to tell you, as a YouTuber full-time, this is what I do. I'm going to say the part of my job that takes the most time for me is going through the comments and answering everybody. That's what I spend the most time on. It's not on coming up with video ideas. It's not video editing. It's not filming the videos. It's not buying gear. It's answering your comments. And I answer them all. And I spend, like if I come out with a video that does well, for the next 24 hours, that's pretty much all I'm doing. I'm answering questions. Now you might think, well, I don't want to do that. That's not my idea of a fun job of, YouTube. That's when I think YouTube, I want to make videos, put them up on the internet, on YouTube, have people watch them, and I want money to roll in. Well, congrats to you if you can get that to work for you. But I'm here to tell you that if you respond to everybody in your comment section, you will be rewarded. Maybe not right away, but your channel will grow faster. People will want to come back. You will be earning people's trust. Okay? No, I thought someone was here. That's how people get to trust you. Be helpful and answer their questions. Now, every comment is not going to be a question, right? So instead of answering questions, if it's just like a statement comment, thanks for watching, or thanks for your perspective, or thank you for the kind words if it was a compliment. If it was kind of a backhanded non-compliment, you could say thanks for your feedback. Don't engage with people who are trying to put you down. Those aren't the people you're trying to reach anyways. So you can dismiss them, whether it's deleting their comment or being kind back to them, like treat what's the term? Treat hateful comments with kindness. Sometimes, maybe not hateful. No. What am I trying to say? If someone's not being kind to you and their comment is just not helpful for anybody, and maybe they're jealous or whatever it is, if it's not a good comment, you can try to respond in kind with that and then just let it go, or you can delete it. It's really up to you. The ones I'm talking about respond to everybody are the ones that are, the people that have taken the time to ask you a question or to comment on your video. Like, respect their time and answer them. Another thing you should do is say people's name when you can. Repeat their names. If you know what their name is, sometimes it's in the username, but sometimes it's not. But sometimes when it's not, they may actually sign their name at the bottom. That happens quite a bit. Get in the habit of using people's names when you reply to them, if you can. I don't do it all the time, but I try to do it as much as I can, if I can. Again, that just builds a rapport with your viewers. And they will come to respect you more and to want to watch more of you and want to come back and subscribe and comment even more. And all that stuff is great for your channel. Not just for your channel, but in life. Like, you can meet some fantastic people through YouTube, through your channel. So don't waste that opportunity either. You can meet some people. Now maybe you have a full life and you don't want anybody else in your life. okay, I wouldn't say that's the norm for most people. I think there's a lot of people out there who are lonely and maybe do want to meet some other people. Maybe not face to face, but YouTube, this whole YouTube thing, growing a community and establishing connections with like-minded people is fantastic. That's one of the best things to come out of my channel for me personally. So take advantage of that, and yeah, I think you'll find it helpful. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Stop talking about yourself. Again, kind of a life lesson. If you're talking to a stranger, the more you talk about yourself, the less interested the other people will be, typically. If they are interested, then they may be acting interested. It's just, if you can talk less about yourself and be more genuinely interested in the other person, that'll take you far in life and in YouTube. So in YouTube, the way it works is, if you make a video, don't make it about yourself or your things or anything about you, really. Make it about the viewer. Like, talk to the viewer. Address their concerns, their questions. Try to help them out. Now, you might think, oh, well, I just want to make a vlog channel and I want to vlog my life. I want to vlog my fishing expeditions and show people the big fish that I caught. Nobody cares. And I say all of this with the utmost respect, okay? I'm trying to be helpful, and maybe it might be coming across as a little bit gruff in this case. I don't intend for that. But the thing is, if people come across, I'm going to use fishing as an example. If people come across a fishing vlog, they're interested in fishing, they're not so much interested in watching a stranger catch a fish and how big their fish is. They're interested in catching their own fish. All right, they want to know how to catch their own fish. So you, as the creator, if you want to make a vlog style channel and videos like that, teach people how to fish. What kind of rod do they need? Where's a good fishing hole? What are the best rivers and lakes and oceans to fish in? Like, help people out. What kind of boat do you use? And not just kind of show and tell, but more try to think of things that people who would come across your video would need help with, and then help them with that. In the process of helping them, yes, you're going to be showing your fish that you caught, your boat that you used, your lake that you fished at, whatever it is. That can be either B-roll or interesting side parts to your video, but the main video should be you're helping somebody, and here's what you're helping somebody with. Like yeah, how to land that big fish. What hook do you use? What size line do you use? And I'm not a fisherman, so apologies if I'm getting some of these terms wrong, right? So do you get the difference is kind of subtle, and yes, there are a lot of vlog style videos out there where people are just kind of living life and bringing a camera along with them so people can see them live life, okay? But for the most part, people aren't interested. People will become more interested in your life the more they trust you. So you got to build that trust first. So it would be rare for somebody to start a channel like that with no subscribers and hope to build it. No one's going to care. And again, I mean that with the utmost respect. But established creators, perhaps they can start, any established creator is going to get a small percentage of their subscribers are going to become super fans, is what I call them. People who always comment, people who always show up in your live streams, people you get to know by name, right? These are the people that perhaps it won't even matter what you make a video about. Eventually, they're going to be interested because they're starting to feel a connection with you, all right? But if you want to get to that point, you have to build trust first. And how do you do that? Help people solve their problems. Listen. Listen to your audience. How do I do that? I'm making a video. I'm talking to the camera. I'm the only one talking. How can I listen to somebody else? Well, you can listen to them in your comment section. Perhaps you may get emails from people. I know this is a little bit subtle too. Same thing in life as with videos. Like, if you want to be respected and listened to, you need to do some listening first. Listening is a skill, and it's a hard one, and I learned this back in sales training 30 years ago, and I'm not that great at it. I feel like it's always a work in progress. If I find I catch myself talking about myself too much, I will stop. I'll try to catch myself, and then I'll start asking questions. If I'm talking life now, not YouTube, but if I meet new people, I'll try to ask them questions, and understand what they're all about, and you know, how many kids do they have, and you know, whatever. And then when they tell you something, you ask follow-up questions, right? Be interested. The more you're interested in other people, the more they will become interested in you, and you'll make them feel good. Okay, so same thing kind of applies on YouTube. When you're making videos, think of the person you're making the video for. Think of like one ideal person, even though there could be thousands watching your videos. You're really only talking to one person at a time. How are you helping them out? Do the best you can to help them out. Ask them questions, right? Ask them questions, get them to comment and answer your questions in the comments below. Maybe they'll have questions for you, or maybe they will just provide answers. Either way, answer them, like I said earlier. Okay, here come the flies. When they ask you a question, listen to them. Like, answer their question. Maybe that question might generate an idea for you for a future video. I do that all the time. This video was in response to comments that I was going through this morning, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to make a video about this. You start making videos that are in response to people who asked you a question, and throw their comment or question up on screen on your video too, on the future video that you make. People will love that. Listen to people and try to understand what their problems are, and then address those problems in your videos. You know, we live in a time where there's a lot of negativity out there. You know, social media is not helping. People seem to feel like they're invisible when they're commenting sometimes on people's posts. I'm thinking Facebook or even Twitter, or even on YouTube, the comment section. There's a lot of negativity out there. There's a lot of negativity on the news. We just live in tough times, and I feel for the younger generations right now, because they've got to navigate through all this. I mean, we all do, but they're growing up with it. The bottom line is, if you could try to be the exception. My last point, I just wrote down 2 words. What the hell were they? It was 3 words. 4 words. Be a good human. Be a good human. Like, try to buck the trend of all this negativity, and be nice, be respectful, and you will be rewarded in return for that. I firmly believe that. I think nice trumps bad every time. Or is that right? No, nice. No, good trumps bad every time. You know, just do your part. Do your part to do good for the world. Try to help your fellow humans out, whether it's in life or in a YouTube video or in all of your YouTube videos. The more you do that, the more people will appreciate you. They will respect you. If you respect people, they will respect you back. That's how you build good relationships. That's how you build a good YouTube channel. So just remember that if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, remember that no one will follow a stranger for no reason. Give them a reason. Build trust with them. Get them to trust you by helping them. Give them a reason to want to follow you. And perhaps you'll be rewarded. That's all I got today. I hope you found this helpful. Apologies if it sounded a little bit gruff off the beginning. It's just, I don't know, I was getting a little bit frustrated with some of the things I was seeing on YouTube today. It's like, this person wants to grow a channel, and what are they doing to grow a channel? And I just feel like, you know what, like, this is a big deal. I feel like it's a huge deal. I think it's a huge part of how I've been able to grow my channel, just by trying to help people out. Yes, sure, I'm also trying to build a business, of course. So I'm going to build courses, I'm going to offer coaching, I'm going to do some things to try to make a living with this. And there's nothing wrong with that. You know, at the same time, you will build trust with people. You will grow your following way faster if you just help people out, and if you just respect people's time. Again, that's a big one too. I don't know if I spent enough time on that one, but don't waste people's time. Don't waste people's time. Make your videos as short as possible. I hope this one's not too long. My name is Rob. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, welcome. It's nice to meet you. And if you're returning, welcome back. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. So if you're a creator, you're certainly a consumer. Okay? If you're not yet a creator, but you're looking to become one, then... So whether you're a creator already or not, you know... As a consumer, you know what you like and what you don't like on YouTube. There are videos... As a consumer, as a consumer, you know what you like and what you don't like in videos. As a consumer, you know what you like and what you don't like in Come on, guys, show some respect. Come on, guys, show some respect. Gotta watch out for ticks. All content creators start out as content consumers.